Okay, so you're saying now that being a photographer in Dubai is a very good source of income as a freelancer. So my next question, Sir Zayed, is why of all possible schools, why did you enroll specifically to Emirates Education Center?
That time I was looking for a school, and one of my friends, he's also Filipino, and he actually said to me there's a school called EEC. So I just went there and I inquired about it. First I called, I searched on Facebook, I found their page, and I called them. And when I went there, because the adrenaline of learning photography was there in me, so I just went to EEC and I said I want to enroll myself. So first I enrolled for basic. I said I will be done with basic and then I'll do my thing. Later on, there is more to learn. So then intermediate comes in, and then I learn intermediate from EEC, and then the advanced comes in. I learn advanced from the EEC, and then the editing comes in, Photoshop and Lightroom. I learn both from the EEC. So it's not just for photography. I went there for photography, but everything caught me up. So I become a part of family EEC now.